Welcome back to another episode of My Jamaican Life. John is here, folks. John just ate 12 fingers of green bananas and a plate of curry chicken and dumpling.
Nicky gone.
Baby, you have a question to ask John? But look at his hairstyle, y'all. John got his fresh hairstyle. Look at it.
That's what's from New
Look
York.
at it.
That's what's from New York. Big
Look at
up
his
my
hairstyle.
feet. Big up my feet.
Look at it.
Big up my
Let me
feet.
get this flip. Baby, can you take his spot for me, please? Because John going to talk to the world right now. Oh, he's still eating. Look at him. Going deep in that pot with green banana, curry chicken, and beans.
Curry chicken and beans. That is a
Hey,
nice, delicious food.
He crushed the plate, y'all. He ain't playing.
Jamaican nice food, you know. You can't miss my food, you know.
Who do you hear, John?
Yeah, eh? I pay a hairdresser to do it.
You pay somebody to do it.
Yeah,
But I thought you said, man,
I pay her $1,000 to my hair.
really?
Because I have to look young. Yeah, you know.
Young,
Yeah.
fresh and green.
Fresh and green, right? Like the green banana what I'm eating. I want to look fresh like the green banana what I'm eating.
Really?
Yeah. Folks, guess what I'm eating out of? I'm eating out of a pressure pot. You know what is a pressure pot? It's a pressure cooker.
Yeah. The bulb is out.
Yeah. We
It's
even,
going, so I can
yeah, we didn't even fix it. Yeah, I noticed it was going dim from the other night.
Maybe bulb will change itself.
Yeah, I think, yeah, it
So
does.
I'm eating banana and curry chicken.
Ask John if he cook, y'all.
Yeah,
John's a lazy ass. He don't cook.
I love to cook. I'm cook banana and tin mackerel for my dinner.
Yeah, right.
And yellow yum and tin mackerel or saltfish for my dinner.
You ain't cook no damn yellow yam, John.
Yeah,
When
I
you
love
cook yellow yam?
I love yellow yum. I love
Yeah,
yellow
please, man.
yum.
You know what John do every day? John buy lunch every day. Lazy ass.
I don't really buy lunch. You know what I buy sometimes for my lunch? Potty.
Yeah, you still buy lunch. Where you get patty from?
Where do I sell potty?
They don't sell no patty one here.
Yeah, man. Where do I buy sell potty?
Who sell patty one here?
Where do I?
Who's Red Roy?
The bar before you get your hardware.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where you get the patty from?
Then buy a mandeville and sell it back.
Okay.
So I get a potty at that time. It's a bread.
And you make a
I buy all of
patty
it.
sandwich.
So I make a potty sandwich. Squeeze up the potty in the bread.
Mm.
Right.
Mm.
And make a nice sandwich with a Coca-Cola or a Sprite or a Pepsi.
Wow.
So, John, you squeeze up the patty, right?
Yeah, squeeze
You
up.
know what I say? Squeeze up the breast like
Like
jelly.
jelly.
Squeeze up the breast
No,
like
it's stiff
jelly.
to
Don't
the,
shit.
it's stiff to the body like Shelly. Right. And the girl in Shelly always good,
John,
you know, yeah.
do you prefer Manchester woman or Montego Bay woman?
Manchester women work hard for what them have. You know, them work hard to build them house. They work hard to buy the car.
So what's the difference between a Montego Bay woman?
Manchester Bay women lazy. They want to dress every day, long fingernails and long hair.
And take your money.
And sell.
And take your money,
And
right?
take your money and run
But
with it.
do you tell them say if them have get John money, you know some have to get John body?
The last time a man take my money, a man come to beat me up for beat me up.
Really?
Yeah. You don't take my money and I say and I want things and the girl
So that
run
means
with
you
the
don't
money.
get no panache.
No, the
No,
girl.
clear. The girl give you a 6 for your 9
Yeah,
to
the girl
without
call, the
clear.
girl send man to beat me up.
You gotta send
And
some.
my mother say, boy, you think you're better than me? I Karachi them backside.
So you look like the girl took your money and you get none.
Nothing. So I don't like my baby.
Well, I'm not dealing with
My
right?
baby woman is scammer.
Scammer. You know what you have to do?
Right.
You have to get my piece first and then you get my money afterwards.
What you mean so anxious me think they give me before me get the money?
You say you're desperate.
Yeah, that was, you know, sometimes you go,
Desperation a kick.
but when I go now, I set up me going now. I'm going to go back the girl now, the girl tell me, say, boy, wait, I be so
This guy
glad.
went to a wake to go meet a woman at a wake.
That
come on, man.
When I go I can't get any woman for the street, then they tell them.
Them a kind of woman, the John. Come on,
Then
man.
the woman in a saucy bra and panty. Yeah, so you know.
So, John, them advertisement. You don't want to know woman, them man. The woman they have trouble, huh?
They're desperate, they want the money.
The woman they have them pimple, lock up your blood clean.
They want the money to buy them food.
Food. You don't buy
Yeah.
man food.
They're hungry.
That's some drugs money them up.
No, they're hungry set the backside of them. When they see them, don't shake them booty. And you say, oh my God, the booty look good. And what's your pay? Can I pay for touch it?
I said, John, come be a piece of this.
And they said $2,000. You just pay it and touch it.
And touch it.
Yeah, slap it up. Blah, 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 blah,
Bap,
blah,
bap, 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 bap.
Right. And they just wiggle it and shake it. And I said, baby girl, go, you look beautiful.
Just like that.
Just like that.
I remember one time, anyway, so I was at the store today. So a girl came up to John and she said, John, you're an idiot.
Right.
And Mr. John looked at her and said, yeah, I'm going to show you idiot later tonight.
Alright. Because then they say me have the tool for the remedy, you know? Yeah. Right, if you tell your project and fix it.
John said he ready to rumble, yo.
Alright, and if you can't broke down, I can
So why
jack
she
it
call
up.
it, so John, so why she call it, why she call it idiot?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Maybe just something.
But you know what, I have a next question to ask you.
Yeah.
This
Ask
is
me the
serious.
question, man. I don't
Oh,
find
that's serious. Why all women them in that restaurant square respect you so much?
Master God, I got the tool for him.
You got the tool for them, sir?
Right.
So
That's
you say, hold on in that. We check say you're my friend.
Right.
No, you say,
But if you're my friend, you can look like a comfort.
you say you chew up some,
Yeah, man, you
you
can
chew up some
comfort.
agony.
You can
Now
look for,
call on you, but you chew some agony.
you
So,
can look for a friend for a woman, you know. You have to give them things too. You can't look friend. Because when you take friend for a woman, you take it on idiot.
wow.
Right. You have to show them till you have the tool to match them.
You have the tool for send on some remedy.
Send on for work for them.
Send on some
But
stamina.
them bad for mama or papa.
Jesus Christ. They say murder he
He
wrote.
wrote.
To
Murder she
Betty.
wrote.
Yeah, man. Send up,
Right.
send up, send up,
Right.
send up.
Right, man. You know, Jamaican women, you know, them is very beautiful and, you know, they love their stuff. If you don't have the right stuff to give them.
What kind of stuff that?
Eh?
What kind of stuff is that?
The long thing they love, you turn there, put
The
it,
long thing they love what?
put it in
The
their belly.
broomstick?
Right, put it in
The
their
broom?
belly, make them ball out.
When they ball out?
Right.
How them ball out?
But if you shot, you know, because if you shot in our rich now, eh?
How them ball?
And then say shot man tear sheet, you know.
That me I hear
And I
to blood
took them
piece of
shit.
child man tear
And
shit.
no, she be tear up, you know. I shoot
She
them
tear-
ratty sheet, you see.
That's why the husband look for your ass, you better the sheet.
Alright, I'll wrap this seat. I want to chop it back, say, but grandma said don't go there.
I wash it?
Wrap this.
Ratness?
Grandma
Never
said
want
don't
no
go
rasta.
there.
Never want to blood cleat. Excuse me, folks. I just ate and then I'm
You know, right
full.
this-
I just burp like that.
You know what is wrap this?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
What is
There's
burp?
a restless that you know.
No, sir, I'm not gonna want it to blood cleat. 'Cause I want the
The-
bite
the-
off. The one that bite off head.
There's a carry, what you call it? Pyrosis, locust pyrosis.
Yo, I don't want to get involved with that one. Look at John with the black pot going down with the black pot. Oh my God. Yo, man.
When a little boy, your mother cook angel, pat for eat time, it was the best.
Yeah, I do it all the time. It's
Yeah,
the
man.
sweetest. So my wife always like, oh my God, look
Finger
at you.
licking, finger licking.
I'm like, this best
Yeah,
part
man.
of the damn
Yeah, best
pot.
part.
Mm.
I like when the cookie coconut run down and it burn liquor. You have
Burn
to
liquor.
crepe, yeah, you have to crepe it.
Yeah, man.
You get the nice.
John, you use a greater coconut for your mama?
Oh my
On
God.
Sunday?
I love with the coconut.
You do, and you off the bump, right?
Right. And my favorite work is, you know, a little bit of washing, a little bit of cleaning, you know.
That's everything.
Right, that's everything.
Everything for
But
supplement.
I'm not a mama man still, but you
No,
know.
I ain't a mama
You
man.
look up to do things. You
No,
have
no,
to
no,
do
no.
stuff.
It's what pay the bills.
Right, pay the bills.
Ain't no bitch, dog. No mama
Right.
man, no putty man.
Right.
That's what pay the bills. You understand?
And of man love wash jars.
No, no, right. Well, me wash. Well, I've never
If my
washed
woman,
drawers.
if my woman, I wash the
drawers.
drawers.
Never
Yeah.
wash.
If my
But-
woman, I wash the drawers.
There's no shame in the game, right? Then John, if I take you off,
But when they wash the drawers, they tell me watch the clutch.
if you take it off, right? Then you have to wash it.
Yeah, you have to watch the clutch.
What's wrong with that?
Watch the
So
clutch.
John,
Mm.
what if one day see you take it off and it smell roady?
I'm not going to put them in nose. I won't get those things there. I'm about to go down.
God, but a little secret, eh?
That's his belly. Why? You take
I
it
got
out,
to my guy that it raw.
you take it and put it to one side.
It
you know,
raw.
Nothing that in
But
that
you know
is
what though,
not.
John?
Eh.
The serious though, you have a great chemistry with the people in the area.
Yeah, man.
With the
you
ladies,
know,
you have a great chemistry.
yeah, man.
and
You know, you have to live.
a lot of
good
older
in it.
folks look out for you, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know,
It's
you,
good though to see you have such a respect with the ladies.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, when you're there.
Case, what about the guys? You and the guys
No,
get
no,
along?
no. I don't want a friend from the man. Those men, they want to drink out of money, and there is that a girl.
So,
That's
what
it.
if the same man, right,
Yeah.
who tried to be your friend and you said no, and you're friend with his wife? How does that apply now?
Oh my God! I refer to his wife because his wife is a beautiful wife. I refer to his wife.
Yeah, but that's gonna cause trouble.
Trouble.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to look women to friend with. You cannot look men to friend with. I like a lot of women friend to friend with, man.
So that means you don't want no man friend.
No,
then?
no, no.
So that means me and Gav can chop into your ass then.
I miss you, Gav.
Gav.
I like that Gav.
Pass
Look
my
at
shit to
the
Gav.
John, easy yourself.
I like that Gav. Look at the
Pass my shit to Gav. Pass my shit there.
He almost stick like a gas stand.
So John, you like it? So John,
John, I internet that, John.
John,
John, I internet that, John.
you love your father, John?
Eh?
You love your dad?
Oh, yeah, man. Remember that I have a lot in common.
So you have a good relationship?
Yeah,
And
man. He's a nice daddy.
nice daddy?
But one time, my mother went to read a storybook for me, but I couldn't read that. I couldn't read that right, yeah, man. Now, when I look, I see a woman sit down and one little boy, they bat the ball, so I tell him, say, the woman is, the little boy is batting the ball, and the woman sit down and one red tie, he say, you know what you do? You better even fire say that. But I tell you, you
So
can't
you say, yeah, read the picture, right?
yeah, you know, read the picture.
Yeah, it happened. I have a cousin
You
who
should
used to read
understand
too.
that you can't read, so you try
I have a cousin do it
yeah.
too, man. But it's what it is, man. You know, it's what
Yeah,
it
you should
is.
get to the point and go say, boy, yeah.
No, but you say it's no shame in the game, you just never did know.
Yeah, you never really know.
You understand? But
But if you look at what woman the chop is a thick and you can't read and you see woman the chop is thick, you say the woman is chopping it thick.
Yeah.
And then the boy is picking it up.
hey,
Right, it look different.
may I ask John?
Mm.
I see you. Okay, so Gav. John left to go get his hair done yesterday, right?
Yeah.
He came back and washed his hair. Did the girl tell you to go and wash her hair first?
No, she told me that she would wash it for me.
Mm.
But she live with her boyfriend, so I don't want to disrespect nobody. I just did
You
for
don't want to
myself.
disrespect nobody.
Yeah.
So you and the boyfriend cool?
No, I don't really somebody. Are your cousin here?
My cousin went.
Yeah, they say you have some relative. But he broke off of a bike one year and live over Audrey them here.
Don't you not fit? Shh. I call his name.
Alright.
I think we have an idea who you're talking. Yeah.
Alright.
Leave it alone. I think we have an idea who you're talking about. We'll talk about
We have
it
shared
later.
different subjects.
We're talking about it later. Yeah, man. So, but yeah, I'm fascinated by the relationship you have with people in the community, and like,
Oh, my.
but I bet you have with a lot of females. There's nothing wrong because I know a lot of female like a lot of male company. It's
What?
no hanky panky. It's just a respecting.
I like them put more than my mother even wear more than a
But John, if you go so far, how you get back up here?
Oh my, you have an upper market truck and the last time you have a market truck, I have to jump up in the Maca. So
John is tailgating in the truck, and you jump off in the,
No, me jump off in the Maca.
you jump off in the bush, yo.
Yeah, kind of top. So I have to jump off in the bush.
You know they're
I
not
don't
gonna
wanna be
stop
cut
for
up
your
enough.
ass.
You want to be cut up.
They're not gonna. I happen to be back in the days to say, you know what we do? Maybe when they're coming up the hill, man.
Yeah, you fling on sunny front.
Wait, no, I wait till they freaking slow down.
Alright, but you not
You know when they go, no, so they don't let know you. It's slowing at some point. I want to hear my change gear.
Yeah,
When it's changing the gear and it's slow down after clutch, you jump and run behind it.
yeah. The truck can climb it like a wow.
For real.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
but you know the trick about it, right?
Yeah,
The trick about it, right? And when you jump off, Gav, you gotta run behind the vehicle.
yeah. Before
We don't know it, we don't know
I
it.
slow down little before yeah.
Yeah, no, you can't. You can't just. You have to jump off and run. If you just jump,
Yeah,
if you just jump off and stop, you
Yeah.
fall straight in your face.
yeah,
So when you jump off, you run behind it.
yeah. But Jamaica is a nice place, because
Always nice.
Here we have a little pear.
Okay,
little
so ask
apple.
God what he's making for breakfast for you tomorrow.
God, what they making for John breakfast tomorrow morning?
Anything you want?
I want some porridge and 2 slices of toast bread with little butter on it.
Whoa! That's all cost it 1,000 Jamaican.
Oh my, I paid man, I have my money. I got my dirty money.
You have your dirty money.
Right.
John, that's not a good talk. You know what I mean? Your dirty money is not a good talk.
Ah,
John, let me get that big black pot from in front of you, man,
oh
because you
my
finished
God,
it.
is it got,
John, let me get the black pot. You finished?
is it got put curry chicken in there?
Put it right here. Can make a wash up in a second.
Gaff can cook it as the best chef of Jamaica, man. So anybody want him? What is the phone
John,
number,
put it in the
Gaff?
pot, okay?
What is the phone number?
My phone number is 333-876-45.
Okay.
Jesus God.
Anybody want a chef, just call him on that number. And you'll get a good
Chef
chef.
Gavin.
And if you want a
Applicant
tour
show.
guy, you can just call him. And he carry around the world and introduce you to places what you don't know. But it don't cost much, it's just a little. talking, you know. Yeah, that is
So
good.
Gav,
Yeah.
anything you want to say to the them folks in Norway and
I guess
Japan
God
and
is
China?
what? God is very vegetarian. You don't eat a lot of meat. You know.
God is vegetarian.
Yeah, you don't
See,
eat a lot of meat.
so what you want to say to your fans in Norway and China and all them places
I just want to tell them to keep
before the night end, before the video
support-
end?
Keep supporting John.
Right, keep supporting John.
Watch the channel and watch John.
Watch John, yeah, because John is a good fellow. I don't know what is John. John doesn't have a woman. So if no now want to see me and love me, just can give me a call. You know?
Alright.
What?
Yeah, I'll drop a link in the description. Y'all get John number. He's a
Yeah,
good man.
he's a
He
good
wash,
man.
cook, and clean for all the
Right.
ladies. Okay.
Yeah, man.
And he won't lay a finger on you.
And you, he's a soft guy. He's a soft guy. You know, if you work a soft guy, you have to take good care of him.
John's an easygoing guy, yo.
Yeah, man.
Easygoing guy.
And I don't drink. You know, I'm a Christian type. Like,
John doesn't drink, but let him catch your ass at the bar.
yeah.
He would just drink one little shot
No,
of the
no.
good Jamaican stuff and say good night. All right. So y'all, John, tell them bye. We're gonna talk.
Yeah,
in
we're
a
gonna
minute.
say that for now.
Tell
Check
them,
it tomorrow
tell them
morning.
to remember, like, share, and subscribe.
And guess what they do now? Keep safe. Because the corona thing is not a joke thing. And it's
Yes.
not a playpen. So you know what you do? Keep safe. And don't overdo it.
Don't overdo it.
Yes,
All right.
Yes.
All right, folks. Y'all have a good night. Don't
All right.
forget to like, share, and subscribe and
Right.
comment. All right.
All right.
John, say little more.
Catch you tomorrow.
All right. Bye, guys.
Right.